that's okay. We can talk about mammary glands. No, I'm not obsessive compulsive. I just like to wash my hands. Yes, I like your neon sweater. Well, maybe I should have mentioned I've got ADHD, but I do deserve all the attention. In a hurry, but I'm not stressed. Wearing black, I'm not depressed. One girl's humor, the other's bra. It's the xylophobia.